Well, we reached. I'm coming from the doctor now. I just felt like taking a little of the sunshine at the beach. Yes. Taking some pictures of the beach, and the sun is about to come out. So let's see how this goes. Everybody relaxing and doing their thing. Going to the beach, yes. Hello, pretty boy, pretty girl. Pretty girl, how are you? Yeah, I want to catch the sunrise. Hola. How are you? Fine, thank you. I just want to catch this beautiful sun. Isn't it? I wanted to be here earlier, but that's the way it goes. Yes, look at this beautiful sunrise. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Look at the ocean. Isn't God world is a beautiful thing? Look at this. Look at this. People is walking early on the beach to enjoy this beautiful ocean. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. Isn't this nice? Isn't this beautiful? Yes, it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The ocean to the land to the beauty. Look at God's beauty. Look at God's beauty. Isn't it awesome? Hello, everyone. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, all over the world. This is God's creation. Definitely. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I just come just for a few seconds because I'm just coming from the doctor taking a test. And I figured that I'll catch the sunrise, but it rises before I do, you know? But that's the way it goes. I am enjoying every bit of it anyway. Yes, let me go down a little more so you can see some more of the splashing, dashing, restless sea. Yes, it is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Nice, 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 nice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous ocean. This is our God's creation. Yes, definitely. This is the Almighty creation. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I said, this is what you call beauty. Anyway, I'm not gonna stay too long. I just come to catch the sunrise, and I will go now. And I hope you enjoy just this little view. My phone is acting up a little bit. I don't know why. It's telling me that I don't have sufficient whatever to do the video. And I know this is impossible because I have so many gigabytes, over 64 gigabytes plus another 30 something, and it's not even a month now since I got this phone, and this is what's happening. So I'm gonna say goodbye. Have a nice day. Yeah. Yes, this is it. Here it is over there. You know, everyone coming out early in the morning to have fun and enjoy themselves. Yes, this is it. So I will say bye-bye until we see each other again. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to give a comment and all of that. And remember, I love each and every one of you. Have a blessed day. May God fill your life with blessing and beauty. Okay, everyone. Goodbye.